Good morning, Dr. Donna. I had to share this with you. See, in my Bible, 14 books. 14. That's Paul's stuff. It's crossed off, right? So we get to Paul's 14 books. See that? Stapled closed. Stapled. Paul's doctrine has caused majority to error. Waiting for shit that's not gonna happen. Like Satan sitting in the temple of God. It ain't confirmed nowhere in Old Testament. And it's got a lot of people focused on the wrong stuff. For real. It's very sad. So basically, just easy. It's easy. Just hit the reset button and unlearn Paul, because it's all deception. He's a confessed liar. I got all the scriptures on that one too. So I hope the remnant won't be 10 of us, because most people are not going to make it.